Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Offshot Studies. In this lecture we are going to discuss question number 21 to 25 under section 2 of Indian history. Indian polity section has already been discussed in 4 lectures which are already been uploaded on my YouTube channel. You can also watch those videos also. The link for the same has been given in the description box. So, and the other thing, I would like to thanks all my subscribers who subscribe my channel, and I hope you give this much love to each and every video which I uploaded here. So let's discuss Indian history section here. So here is the question number 21. So look at the question number 21, which is, with reference to the history of India, consider the following pairs, and 3 pairs are given here and we have to tell which of these are correctly matched. So the first pair is Orang, and it is given as a person in charge of treasury of the state. Second pair is Banyan. It is a person which is an Indian agent of East India Company. Third pair is given Mirasidar, which is a person whose designated revenue pays to the state. So you see there are the 3 pairs and 3 persons designations are given. So we have to tell which of these are correctly matched. If you see the pair first, which is Orang. Orang is actually a Persian term which means a warehouse where we store our goods. So first pair is not correct. If you see second pair, which is Banyan are the agents. Actually they are the Indian agents of East India Company who used to deal with the peoples and are always on the forefront in running the business of Britishers in India. So this is a correctly matched pair. Second pair is correct one. If you see third pair, which is Mirasidar actually is a Urdu word which means hereditary landlord who has some ownership over the land or has property. So definitely they are designated revenue pays to the state. So pair third is also matchable. So option B here is the right answer here. So look at the question number 22 here. With reference to the religious history of India, consider the following statements. 3 statements are given here. We have to tell which of these are correct one. First statement is Thaviravadins belongs to Mahayana Buddhism. Second is Lokottaravadin sect was an offshoot of Mahasangika sect of Buddhism. And third statement is the deification of Buddha by Mahasangikas fostered the Mahayana Buddhism. So I would like to explain all these statements one by one. First statement is Sthaviravadins belongs to Mahayana Buddhism. There are 2 important sects of Buddhism. One is Mahayana and another is Hinaya. So this Sthaviravadins belongs to Hinaya sect, instead Mahayana Buddhism. So statement 1 is not correct. If you see statement second, which is Lokottaravadin sect was an offshoot of Mahasangika sect. Yes, it is one of the branch of Mahasangika sect of Buddhism. So statement 2 is correct. And statement third is the deification of Buddha by Mahasangikas fostered the Mahayana Buddhism. It means they give Mahasangika gave divine you can say the honor to the Buddha. So they fostered the Mahayana Buddhism, means they support in a rise of Mahayana Buddhism. Yes, it is because Mahasangikas are known to be precursor of Mahayana traditions, means they are known to be a forerunner, you can say the predecessors. So here option B is the right one because it includes statement second and third. So answer here is option B. Now look at the question number 23. In question number 23 is which of the following statement correctly explains the impact of industrial revolution on India during the first half of the 19th century? So if you see the talked about impacts of industrial revolution on India during the first half of the 19th century here when there is a start of 1801 1802, so this is the 19th century. And if you see in the first half, four options are given. First option is Indian handicrafts were ruined. Second is machines were introduced in the Indian textile industry in large numbers. Third is railway lines were laid in many parts of the country. Fourth is heavy duties were imposed on the imports of British manufacturers. So if you see here the options, in the starting, in the beginning, when the industrial revolution started, the most affected sector of India was Indian handicrafts, because locals were devoid of their work and they are being forced to move to the cities because of the industrial revolution. So option A here is the right of answer here. And this question has been asked from modern Indian history, so I suggest to go to the spectrum for studying modern Indian history. So you will be well aware of this fact. So option A here is the right answer. So question number 24 is consider the following events in the history of India. There were four events they have given. We have to tell their chronological order, starting from the earliest. So if you see, first statement is rise of Pratiharas under the King Bhojo. Second is establishment of Palwa power under Mahendra Varman I. Third is establishment of Chola power by Prantaka I. And fourth is Pala dynasty founded by Gopala. So if you see first statement here, it is they talked about Pratiharas. For info, there were one dynasty in India, in northern India, Gujara and Pratihara, which was founded in mid 8th century. Under Bojo rule, especially they talked about King Bojo. So King Bojo was there in the mid 9th century. You can say from 1835 to 1885. So you can note it down time if you want to note. Then we'll after studying all four statements, we will see the chronological order. Second is establishment of Palwa power under Mahendra Varman I. Okay. In second statement, they talked about Mahendra Varman and Palwa dynasty. So Mahendra Varman ruled under Palwa dynasty from 600 AD to 630 AD. So you can also note it down. Third is establishment of Chola power by Parantaka I. Parantaka Chola I ruled in Chola kingdom in Tamil Nadu, and he ruled from 907 AD to 955. So fourth option is Pala dynasty founded by Gopala. Yes, there was a very famous ruler and he was the founder of Pala dynasty in India, which is Gopala, and he ruled from 750 to 770 AD. So now we can find the correct chronological order here. The earliest one is second statement, which is establishment of Palwa power, which was founded in 600 to 630 AD, and the second statement is Pala dynasty founded by Gopala, which was there in 750 to 730. Third is statement 1, rise of Pratihara, which was founded in 1835 to 1885. And the last event which occurred, which means latest, which happens, is statement 3rd, establishment of Chola power by Prantaka I. It is in 907 AD to 955. So option C here is the correct answer. Now look at the question number 25. Which of the following phrases defines the nature of the Hundi It is a word generally referred to in the source of post-Harsha period. They are talking about post-Harshvardhana period, and talking about to define the phrase called Hundi. Actually, Hundi is a sort of financial instrument. Four options are there. Look at the four options. First is an advisory issued by the king of his subordinates. Second is a diary to be maintained for daily accounts. Third is a bill of exchange. Fourth is an order from the feudal lords to his subordinates. So, as I said, it is a type of financial instrument which is used in trade and credit transaction. So, you can say that option C here is the right answer. Thank you guys for watching this video. Do share, comment, and press the bell icon for the latest updates. I hope you love this video. Thank you for watching.